And welcome to the amazing adventures of Popeye and Tuna Fish. Woohoo! Episode 2. It's a hard knees life. Man, I wish Tuna Fish didn't hook up with that girl Ashley. You remember her from last episode? Yeah, all of you. Well, it's getting pretty lonely. I better head home. Holy crud muffins, what's she doing here?
I am Dr. Von La Poopy Pants, and this is my gorgeous mustache. I call her Frida. Now, hold that for me. Now, yes, me.
What are you going to do to me?
I'm getting to that. I have a niece who's very lonely, and she wants to marry you.
No! And it's Tuna Fish to the rescue! Might as well go down swinging, brother, and get this mustache off me. Woo! To the rescue!